What up, Pete? That's right, go Rams. $5 Rams. We've pulled, you can pull some big cards for the Rams. You can pull big cards for any teams in this break. I'm surprised when some of them go unsold. We've pulled an Aaron Donald auto out of 10. Yeah, that baseball break was a lot of fun. That did not disappoint at all. Huge hit there at the end for the Cubs. Definitely, I definitely feel like you can pull more color. You have better hit odds in those than you do in the regular Bowman mega boxes. That's right, last pack magic. That was big time magic. Hopefully we have some magic here with prestige. Fro Mojo, you got any teams in this break? We got Patriots in the house. Dirty P. What's up, Nick? Got Steelers. Fro Mojo's got Seahawks and Titans. Oh yeah, Jeff. Yeah, that's right, Jeff. You're usually not in here. We were just talking the other day that big Jamar Chase auto that you got. Just got it in the mail. What up, LZS? We got a lot of people in here. Definitely change of pace from our baseball break. Pete, I think it was just you and maybe one other person talking in the baseball break. Looks like we got a lot of people ready to get in on this. All right, guys, let's do it. I got 10:06. We got 6 mega boxes. Done this break many times now. I still got plenty more prestige mega boxes to do, so this will not be the last one. We got some Donruss mega boxes still that we want to break, and we got some absolute coming in. Hopefully, we'll get some absolute in by next week, and we can start breaking that next week for you guys. That should be fun doing a little chase of the Kaboom inserts. I broke a lot of absolute megas last year. Did not find one Kaboom. I'm hoping that changes this year. All right, so prestige mega boxes each come with 5 hyper parallels, 5 numbered parallels, and 1 auto per box on average. Hopefully, we don't see any Panini points tonight, but if we do, I would welcome the wild card points because those have some good value to them. All right, I want to see some big hits tonight. We had a big hit in baseball in our last break. Now I want to see a big hit in football. Good luck, everybody. Roquan Smith. Looks like we're going to get our auto in the first pack. Saquon Barkley. Aaron Rodgers. Our auto is number 61. Looking like a Giants player. Boom! Daniel Jones. Is it numbered? It is 18 of 20. Oh, man. I don't know if Ray's watching. Ray's going to be pissed that he missed out on this one. Daniel Jones, 18 of 20. Who got the Giants tonight? That's Cherry. Sherry's in a bunch of our breaks. Congrats, Sherry. 18 of 20. Whoo, and that is a nice signature too. Oh, Ray's gonna be so mad. I'm gonna send him a picture. Derwin James, Hyper. David Montgomery, number 87 of 149. Alvin Kamara, highlight reel. Rookies Frank Darby, Jalen Waddle, Racey McMath. Man, oh man, what a start to this break. Danny Dimes, 18 of 20. Unfortunately, couldn't get it done against the Chiefs last night. Carson Wentz, Drew Lock, Anthony Barr, Odell Beckham Jr., Tutu Atwell Hyper for the Rams. We got Blue Living Legends Thurman Thomas for the Bills, 161 out of 249. There we go, Bucks. Tom Brady Heroes. Nice. Demetric Felton, Mike Stracan, Tylan Wallace. Casey with the Bucks tonight, snagging that Tom Brady Heroes. Cam Akers, Jeff Okudah, Anthony Ferksker, Russell Wilson. Got some, it's numbered. It's got some stuff on the surface, though. Might be able to come off, but I don't want to mess with it too much. This is 199 of 299 for the Seahawks. Nick Bosa, Hyper. There you go, Sherry. Another nice one. Saquon, 44 out of 199. Time-stamped J.J. Watt. Rookies Trey Nixon, Javion Hawkins, Eric Stokes. Trying to calm her down. Hey, I get it. I get it. That's a big-time hit. I love the signature, too. Nice looking signature. Alright, last pack, first mega box. Love these mega boxes. Stephon Diggs, Joe Burrow, Jamal Adams, Darius Slayton Hyper for Giants, Evan McPherson rookie Hyper for the Bengals. Got a green franchise favorites. TJ Watt for the Steelers, numbered 181 of 199. Youth Movement, Chase Claypool. Rookies Jalen Darden, Elijah Vera Tucker, Seth Williams. Mega number 2. Patrick Queen. Got another auto coming. T.Y. Hilton. David Bakhtiari. Auto number 226. Should be a rookie. Carolina helmet. Javonte Williams. Nice hit for the Broncos. Nice signature. Who's got the Broncos? That's Sherry again. Sherry got a bunch of teams in this break. Hitting big. Nice rookie auto for Sherry. Killing it. John Brown Hyper. We got Jeremy Chin numbered 70 of 75 for the Panthers. Any Given Sunday, Len Dawson. Rookies Michael Carter, Khalil Herbert, and Tutu Atwell. Sherry was probably just starting to calm down, and then pulled that Javonte Williams. Cortland Sutton, Cooper Kupp. Oh, we got a case hit coming. Dalvin Cook. Who's getting this case hit? Oh, Zach Wilson, rookie portraits. Who's got the Jets? Whitney. Whitney's in a bunch of our breaks. Congrats, Whitney. Zach Wilson, rookie portraits. That is a case hit. I'm having some fun right now. Man. We got Jalen Waddle Hyper for the Dolphins. Jake Funk, Rams rookie 64 out of 75. We got Sam Ellinger, season's greetings for the Colts. Rookies Hunter Long, Evan McPherson, Peyton Turner. Man, we are off to a hot start in these first two boxes. Let's hope Zach Wilson gets himself back on the field. Hope Mike White doesn't take his job. TJ Hawkinson, Leighton Vander Esch, Tom Brady, Derwin James Jr., number 267 out of 299 for the Chargers. Tyler Lockett Hyper, Seahawks. Travis Fulgham for the Eagles, 174 out of 199. Aaron Donald Highlight Reel. Rookies Kylan Granson, Jamin Davis, Sage Surratt. Hayden Hurst, Patty Mahomes, Derek Carr, Patrick Queen Hyper, Racey McMath Hyper, Nice Kyle Pitts for the Falcons. 62 of 99. Who's got the Falcons? That's a sweet hit for Joseph. Congrats, Joseph. Living Legends Torrey Holt for the Rams. Rookies Tyson Campbell, Penny Sewell, Tommy Tremble. Man, we're only 2 boxes in. Still got 4 to go. Once I get the absolute megas in, I'll probably start trying to do some mixers. I'll do some 6 mega box breaks, do 2 prestige, 2 Donruss, 2 absolute. Should be fun. Clyde Edwards-Helaire got another auto coming. Buda Baker, James Robinson. This is auto number 229. Missouri, Larry Roundtree, Chargers running back. Nice hit for the Chargers. Logan Thomas Hyper. Patriots, we got Damian Harris, 223 out of 249. Powerhouse Chris Carson. Rookies Dez Fitzpatrick, Gary Brightwell, Josh Palmer. CeeDee Lamb, Myles Gaskin, Leonard Fournette, Brandon Ayuk, Penny Sewell Hyper for the Lions, Mark Andrews time-stamped for the Ravens, 149 out of 249. Living Legends Teddy Bruschi, Jacob Harris, Greg Newsome, John Bates. Yep. What's up, Mike? 18 of 20. 18 of 20 for that Danny Dimes. Patrick Queen, T.Y. Hilton, David Bakhtiari, DeForest Buckner, 239 out of 299. Colts. A.J. Brown Hyper for the Titans. Got Stephon Diggs for the Bills, 64 out of 149. Any Given Sunday, Joe Namath, Joseph Osai, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Joe Tryon. Last pack, Mega Box number 3, Courtland Sutton, Cooper Kupp, Dalvin Cook, DeForest Buckner Hyper, Tommy Tremble Hyper, Any Given Sunday, Rondé Barber, 190 of 199 for the Bucks. There's a Terrace Marshall Jr. Season's Greetings for the Panthers. Chuba Hubbard, Christian Barmore, and Elijah Moore. Mega Box number 4. Another first pack auto, Julio Jones, Mecole Hardman Jr., Rashawn Gary. Auto number 271, Hunter Long. We've pulled him quite a few times for the Dolphins. There's the Hunter Long auto. Ronald Jones, Hyper. David Bakhtiari, 235 out of 249. George Kittle time-stamped. Javion Hawkins, Eric Stokes, Jalen Darden. Kyler Murray, Cole Kmet, Jamison Crowder, Baker Mayfield. Got Ian Book Hyper for the Saints. Mike Stracan, numbered 127 of 199. Maybe. There it is. Come on, focus. Youth Movement, Terry McLaurin, Elijah Vera Tucker, Seth Williams, Kelvin Joseph. Devontae Parker, Ronnie Stanley, Derrick Henry. Got Darius Leonard, 189 of 299. Got a Hyper Kenyon Drake. Jamal Adams, numbered 66 out of 199. Prestigious Pros Cam Jordan. Micah Parsons, Anthony Schwartz, Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah. Christian McCaffrey, Matt Ryan, Cam Jordan, Jerry Jeudy Hyper, Jalen Phillips Hyper. We got a Jarrett Patterson Heard his name quite a few times this past weekend. 14 out of 249. Washington. We got Heroes DK Metcalf. Nice hit for the Seahawks. Keenan Nwangwu, Nick Bolton, Marquez Stevenson. Alright, this is Mega Box number 5. Another first pack auto. Melvin Gordon, Aaron Donald, Chase Vinovich. Auto number 224. Davis Mills, Texans quarterback. There we go. Nice parallel. Not numbered, but very nice hit for the Texans. That is Sherry again. Man, Sherry is just absolutely killing it. Crazy. Miles Sanders hyper. Miles Sanders numbered card, 146 out of 149. The Eagles. Powerhouse Devin White. Javonte Williams. Trevon Moehrig. Rondell Moore. Seen 5 autos so far, and Sherry's got 3 of them. Let's see. Can we squeeze this one in? I think we can squeeze them in. Darius Slayton, Cole Beasley, James Conner, Joe Schobert. There's Michael Carter. Nice hyper for the Jets. Whoa, Trey Lance for the Niners. 87 of 99. That is a sweet hit. Look at that. Who's got the Niners? That's Casey. Casey's had some nice hits. Got the Tom Brady Heroes. Now a Trey Lance numbered out of 99. That is sweet. Living Legends Warren Sapp. Patrick Surtain. Kadarius Toney. Nico Collins. Man, I don't have any more stands. Alright, let's see here. Let's take Larry Roundtree down. Joe Mixon, Deshaun Watson, Antoine Winfield Jr., Jimmy G for the Niners, 130 out of 299. Taysom Hill hyper. Ed Oliver, 115 out of 249. Any Given Sunday, Sam Darnold. Kellen Mond. Kylan Hill. And there's Trevor Lawrence. That's the first base rookie quarterback that we've hit tonight. Last pack, Mega Box number 5, DeForest Buckner, DeAndre Hopkins, George Kittle, Aaron Donald hyper for the Rams. There's a nice Khalil Herbert for the Bears. He's been tearing it up lately. Speaking of Bears, Justin Fields, 141 out of 149. Had his coming out party this week. Over 100 rushing yards. He looked solid. Looks like a good future QB for the Bears. There's Mac Jones, season's greetings. All the quarterbacks coming out now. Pat Freiermuth. That's interesting. Amari Rodgers. Amari Rodgers is one of the short print rookies. Usually the short print rookies are at the beginning of the pack. This one's at the end, but I'm 100% positive that Amari Rodgers is a short printed rookie. So that's a nice hit for the Packers. And then we got a Mac Jones base also for the Patriots. Nice pack. Lots of stuff to top load out of that pack. Alright, let's get Justin Fields up here. Might have to take Davis Mills down. It's a nice card, but gotta get Mr. Fields up there. Alright, last mega box, everybody. Good luck. This has definitely been another fun prestige break. No football tomorrow night. Tomorrow's going to be baseball and basketball. But I'll be back with some football on Thursday. I don't have it posted yet, but I'm going to put up a one-day auction tomorrow for a Thursday break. We're going to be going kaboom hunting, 10 absolute blasters. I'll have that posted for Thursday. All right, another first pack auto coming. Evan Ingram, Zach Moss, Austin Eckler. Our final auto of the break is going to be number 269, Georgia helmet, Azeez Ojulari. So another auto going to Sherry. Azeez Ojulari took 4 of the 6 autos. What a night. Devontae Adams hyper for the Packers. We got Mecole Hardman Jr., 123 out of 249 for the Chiefs. Powerhouse Christian McCaffrey, Najee Harris, Jarrett Patterson, and Trey Lance. Jermaine Pratt, Zach Cunningham, Stephon Gilmore, Michael Thomas. Got a Ramondre Stevenson hyper for the Patriots. There's Marquez Stevenson for the Bills, numbered 19 out of 75. Nice hit for the Bills there. Living Legends Tiki Barber. Rookies Cornell Powell, Jamar Chase, and Shi Smith. Tyreek Hill, Christian Kirk, Minkah Fitzpatrick. Got Jerry Jeudy, numbered 67 of 299, Broncos. Dallas Goedert hyper. Nice Justin Jefferson for the Vikings, 99 out of 99. There we go. eBay 1 of 1. Nice hit, Vikings. Any Given Sunday, Jerome Bettis, Michael Carter, Khalil Herbert, Tutu Atwell. Vikings is Phillip. Phillip usually grabs the Vikings in a lot of our breaks recently. And last pack, everybody. David Montgomery, Jabril Peppers, Keenan Allen, Robert Woods hyper for the Rams, Rashawn Slater hyper for the Chargers. We got a blue TJ Watt, franchise favorites. I think we had a colored one earlier, and look at that. Another eBay 101, 249 out of 249. It's the second TJ Watt numbered franchise favorites that we hit today. Patrick Surtain, season's greetings for the Broncos. Hunter Long, Evan McPherson, and Peyton Turner. Yeah, I think you're right. It was green. Man, I got a stack of top-loaded cards here. All right. These are in no particular order. And we'll go through here real quick. That TJ Watt, 249 out of 249 blue. Patrick Surtain, season's greetings. Jerry Jeudy out of 299. Justin Jefferson, 99 of 99. Marquez Stevenson out of 75. Azeez Ojulari auto. Mecole Hardman, 249. Trey Lance base. Davis Mills auto for the Texans. Khalil Herbert hyper for the Bears. Mac Jones, season's greetings. Amari Rodgers short print rookie for the Packers. Mac Jones base. Jimmy G, 299. Ed Oliver out of 249. Trevor Lawrence base. Michael Carter hyper. Larry Roundtree auto for the Chargers. Miles Sanders out of 149. Jarrett Patterson, 249. DK Metcalf heroes. Darius Leonard out of 299. Jamal Adams, 199. Mike Stracan, 199. Hunter Long auto for the Finns. David Bakhtiari, 249. Rondé Barber, 199. Terrace Marshall Jr. season's greetings. DeForest Buckner, 299. Stephon Diggs, 149. Mark Andrews, 249. Damian Harris, 249. Derwin James, 299. Travis Fulgham, 199. Sam Ehlinger, season's greetings. Jake Funk out of 75. Jeremy Chin out of 75. There's that green TJ Watt out of 199. Russell Wilson out of 299. Saquon out of 199. Thurman Thomas 249. And David Montgomery 149. And we had a lot of really, really nice hits tonight. We had the Kyle Pitts numbered out of 99. Jalen Waddle hyper for the Dolphins. We had Justin Fields out of 149 for the Bears. Trey Lance out of 99 for the Niners. Zach Wilson, rookie portraits case hit for the Jets. Javonte Williams auto for the Broncos. Tom Brady Heroes. And the hit of the night was one of the first cards we pulled. Daniel Jones, 18 out of 20 auto for the Giants. Congrats, Sherry. Congrats to everybody on the hits. I'll get all this stuff packed up tonight and sent out tomorrow. Again, football, we're going kaboom hunting on Thursday. We're going kaboom hunting on Friday. And I believe we're also doing Sunday. We're doing 10 absolute blasters in each one of those breaks. Hopefully I'll get some mega boxes next week and we'll start kaboom hunting out of mega boxes. So really appreciate you guys. Always getting in and joining these breaks. And especially when you guys get in and chat, makes it a lot of fun. Glad I was able to pull some nice stuff for you guys tonight. Hopefully we'll do the same on Thursday when we start opening Absolute. So thanks guys. Have a great night.